Friends, Running Kimono here. So this is your Walgreens preview for the week of February the 11th to the 17th, and there's a lot of great little freebies in this ad, along with a booster for some cheap Valentine's Day merchandise. So we are going to investigate all of that. So earlier in the week, I got these two boosters, which is 10 back when you spend 30 on Valentine's Day items. It expires, I think, the day of Valentine's. And then the second one, which is a 7 back when you spend 40. I have two store accounts, and my 7 back when you spend 40, the bottom one, appeared immediately on one, and then the other one, I think it appeared last night. So always double, triple check your digital coupons folder. It may show up. Now treat this video as a preview. The full ad with all of the digital coupons will be published on Sunday the 11th. And Valentine's Day will be celebrated on Wednesday the 14th. So probably on the 15th, a lot of items will start reaching 50% off. And the Super Bowl will also be celebrated on the 11th. So there might be some extra food deals between now and the 11th, but there's lots of food in this ad. And if you love all things Walgreens, please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up and subscribe today if you are not a subscriber to my channel. Okay, so the Valentine's Day Booster will be valid from the 12th to the 14th, smack dab in the center there. Lots of BOGO 50% off, BOGO 40% off. But here's my hot burning question. The Squishable toys, and I know there's a lot of Hello Kitty ones, are they going to be part of this? Because if you buy 3, get $10 back. I think a lot of us would probably rather have that than a box of chocolates for Valentine's Day, so we're going to have to keep an eye on that. But I think because a lot of the Squishmallow toys go 50% off at the end of like on the 15th, I think it'll be part of it, but we'll have to wait and see until the 12th. The first deal that we're going to look at is with the Dove or Tresemme hair care, $4 to $8.99, $5 reward when you buy 2, and a 5 off with a little triangle. So I'm assuming that the Dove is going to be $4. There's no way they're going to put that Tresemme Pro for $4. We have these two $2 digital coupons. Load both of them. So the Dove shampoo last week was $4 each, so I think they'll probably keep it on the same price point. So for 2 of them, it would be $8 on the nose. Subtracting two $2 coupons, you're paying $4, getting back a $5 register reward. It makes this free plus a $1 money maker. A lot of you were reporting to me that the digital coupon, only one $2 coupon was attaching. So you would call customer service for a $2 missed coupon. And if you're doing this deal with no booster, yes, you can use Walgreens Cash to pay down the balance to earn that register reward. Next shampoo deal that we're going to look at is with both the Garnier Fructis and Whole Blends, 2 for $8. So what we're going to do here, guys, is grab 4 of them for $16. Subtracting 3 off of 2 digitals for both the Whole Blends and the Fructis, you're going to pay $10. Get back one $3 register reward, making $7 for the 4 or $1.74 per shampoo or conditioner. And it is okay to use Walgreens Cash if you're doing this deal with no booster, but not a bad little deal for some cheap Garnier if that's your thing. We're still looking at this Dove body wash at $7 a pop. $2 reward when you buy 2 of them. And a lot of us, if you haven't used this is still valid till the 16th, till the Friday. So make sure you have it loaded. Grabbing 2 of the Dove body washes, that's $14 on the nose. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay $7. Get back a $2 register reward, making it $5 for the 2 or $2.50 per body wash. And it is okay to use Walgreens Cash if you're doing this deal with no booster to get some inexpensive body wash. And now we're looking at this, the CREST products at $3. There might be a toothbrush included. We're going to get a 6 off 4 digital coupon and then get back a 6 off 4 register reward. So grabbing 4 of these, that's going to be $12 on the nose. Subtracting that digital, you're going to pay $6. Get back a $6 register reward, making it free. And it is okay to use Walgreens Cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. And make sure that that 6 off of 4 is the only digital coupon loaded. If you have a bunch of $2 loaded, the smaller ones will come off before the 6 off 4. Now we're looking at a deal with some Colgate. There's going to be $2 digital. So I'm thinking like a brush and a paste will be part of this. So the promotion is 2 for $8. They're $4 each. Subtracting two $2 coupons, $4 is coming off. Pay $4, get back a $3 register reward, making it $1 for 2 or 50 cents per Colgate product. And it is okay to use Walgreens Cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. We're going to just do a little bit of speculation on some deals because we don't have the full details on everything. But the Schick Skintimate, if these products have very high value coupons, they're on a promotion of spend 20, get back 5. This potentially could be a spectacular deal, even for the Monday curbside. So we'll have to investigate that. And $5.49 for the Bounty Charmin products with a 50-cent chintzy coupon. If P&G would give us something a little bit more substantial digital coupon wise, this could be potentially a great deal. So we'll have to wait and see how this guy shakes out. But I would really love to see like a 4 off 2 digital coupon or something valuable. We have the all detergent for $5.49. We have $1.50 digital. So that's going to shake it out to $3.99 per all. Typically, this detergent is like $8 or $9 at the pharmacies. It's very expensive, so this might be a deal pour vous. And then we're also looking at 4 for $10 for the bottom tier P&G laundry care products. Tide Simply, Gain. It's not the Tide liquid and Tide pods. The red ones. 4 for $10. I would use $10 in Walgreens cash if you might have it. It's a stock up price for this detergent. And even the Bounce Dryer Sheet's a really good value for that. Now, BOGO 50% off on Dollar Shave Club, and then you're going to get back a $4 register reward when you buy 2. Lots of this is on clearance. If your store might be stocked and it's ringing up BOGO 50% off, take a leap of faith and see what happens. This might be worth your time. Who doesn't love cheap Dollar Shave Club? So the Icy Hots, I'm hoping they're still on a BOGO 50% off promotion next week, but 2 of them would be $1.93. They're on 90% off clearance, and a $5 store reward is printing when you buy 2 of them, making it free plus a $3.06 money maker. It's great. If not, it'll be like a $2 money maker. Lots of other items are on clearance, so if you have store register rewards you need to burn through, lots of the shave products are up to 90% off. That Cottonelle for $5.29. I mean, I'd love to get all of them, but definitely keep an eye out for these orange stickers. Let's talk about some quick honorable mentions before we take off. The first is a lot of food. As we were talking about the Super Bowl, those club crackers, BOGO free, 2 for $6 for the Lay's chips, and $1.79 for the Nice brand, which is the Walgreens brand trail mix. I'm not sure if Blue Diamond, there's an IBOTTA rebate for that, but 2 for $5 for the almonds. And at the bottom of this one, we have the Doritos 2 for $7 and the Tostitos 2 for $8. So if you are really, having a nice party, you might need to stock up on some of these snacks. And then also a lot of the beverages, buy 2, get 1 for free on Pepsi, Coke. Those LaCroix are also 2 for $6, but it's only a 6-pack, so you're paying $1 each. And the Nice brand water, 2 for $7. Maybe that's the way to go. Just give everybody water instead of soda for your big Super Bowl party. And then 2 for $10 for the Oscar Mayer bacon. If you are a keto dieter, I think I need to restock up on this because we've almost gone through all the bacon that I got earlier in January. So that's it for this video, guys. As always, thank you so much for watching, and we will catch you in the next one. Bye.